Welcome! In this video, you will learn all about pip, the essential tool for installing and managing Python packages. By the end, you'll be comfortable finding, installing, and managing third-party libraries for your own Python projects. So, what exactly is pip? Pip is the standard package manager for Python. It's a command-line tool that allows you to install and manage additional software packages that are not part of Python's standard library. Think of it as a gateway to a huge universe of powerful open-source tools created by the Python community. Before we start, let's make sure pip is ready to go on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip version. This will show you the installed version of pip. It's also a great habit to keep pip updated. You can do this by running python mpip install upgrade pip. If you're on Python 3, you might need to use the command pip3 instead of pip. The most common command you'll use is pip install. This command tells pip to find a package in the Python package index, also known as PyPy, and install it on your computer. For example, to install the very popular requests library for making HTTP requests, you would simply type pip install requests. Sometimes, your project might require a specific version of a library to work correctly. You can tell pip exactly which version to install using comparison operators. To install an exact version, use two equal signs like this. Pip install requests = 2, 25, 1. You can also specify a minimum version using greater than or equal to, like so. Pip install requests greater or equal to 20, 0. When your project grows and uses multiple packages, it's important to keep track of them. The standard way to do this is with a file named requirements.txt. This simple text file lists all the packages and their specific versions that your project depends on, making it easy for others to set up the same environment. Once you have a requirements.txt file, you can install all the listed packages with a single command. Pip install r requirements.txt. The -r flag tells pip to read the packages from the file. To create one of these files from your current environment, you can use the command pip freeze requirements.txt. This command captures all currently installed packages and saves them to the file. Pip has several other handy commands. Pip list will show you every package installed in your current environment. To get more details about a specific package, such as its version and dependencies, you can use pip show followed by the package name. And if you no longer need a package, you can remove it completely with pip uninstall. A crucial best practice is to use virtual environments for your projects. A virtual environment is an isolated Python setup that keeps the dependencies for different projects separate. This prevents version conflicts. Python has a built-in module called venv that you can use to create one. Once you activate the environment, you can use pip to install packages that will only exist within that isolated space. Let's quickly recap. You now know how to install packages with pip install, manage dependencies with requirements files, and generate those files with pip freeze. You can also inspect your environment with pip list and pip show, and keep your projects isolated with virtual environments. Congratulations, you're now equipped to manage Python packages like a pro.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.